Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher 1.000.7 error. So the first thing, go here to your search bar and search for antivirus, for virus and threat protection, open it. Then go here, virus and threat protection, click on manage settings, then scroll down here and go to exclusions and click on add or remove exclusions. Then click yes. After that, click add an exclusion, then select folder. So after that, go here to your C driver and then go to program files. Then you should find Rockstar file here. But if you are saving it in another place, just go to the other place. For me, I'm saving it here. So just click select the folder and then click select the folder here. After that, it should be added here. Next thing to do is go here and search for date and time settings. Then go here, make sure that set time zone automatically is on. Then set time automatically is on. Then all you need to do is click sync now. And this should fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.